everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to flip your webcam in Streamlabs OBS. Before we begin, make sure you've already added your webcam as a source in Streamlabs OBS. If you haven't done that yet, check out our previous video. Now open Streamlabs OBS and you should see this screen. On the bottom, you should see the Sources section, and under that, your video capture or webcam source. Click on it and you should see that your selected source has been highlighted. Right-click anywhere on the highlighted region and look for the word Transform. Under Transform, you'll see a lot of options, but what we're looking for is Flip Vertical or Flip Horizontal. Now, if you want to flip your webcam horizontally, click on that and as you can see, it will immediately apply. You can hit Ctrl-Z to undo these changes. And if you want to flip your webcam vertically, then do the right-click again, Transform, and click on Flip Vertical. And it should immediately apply once again. If you want to undo anything, hit Ctrl-Z. And that's how to flip your webcam on Streamlabs OBS.